Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where creativity meets simplicity. Today I am making a unique and beautiful DIY candle using a traditional cooler glass. To begin with, I have got this lovely cooler glass. Its earthy texture is perfect for a rustic yet chic candle. First, make sure your cooler is clean and dry for the paint. Going with a blue base to give it a cool, calming vibe. Using a flat brush, I am applying a coat of acrylic paint evenly across the cooler. The fun part, adding floral designs. I am using an earbird for this. Dip it lightly into yellow acrylic paint and start creating small delicate flowers. Love how the flowers bring a fresh minimalistic vibe to the cooler. Now you can make small clusters or keep it simple with just a few blooms. Till it dries, pair the candle. I am using only simple candle. The wax using the double boiler method. Carefully pour the melted wax in the cooler. Allow the wax to set completely, which takes about 1 to 2 hours depending on the room temperature. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like. Now here it is, the final result, a gorgeous blue cooler candle with handmade floral designs. It's perfect for gifting, home decor, or simply adding a personal touch to your space. Like it, please share kar do yaar, and subscribe for more creative DIY ideas. Let me know in the comments what color and design you would try for your cooler candle. See you in the next